Alright, guys, I just got my radio back here in the mail from Mike Hagan Antique Auto Radio Repair. $399. I sent him my factory radio. As you can see, it still looks absolute factory. He cleaned it up, stuck 2 auxiliary jacks in it for iPod or CD change or whatever, and I now have 4 channels: front left and right, rear left and right, remote power and ground, I believe. I'm not real familiar with it yet, but it did come with a, if I can find it, 2-year parts and labor on all rebuilds. So assuming this works out good, well worth the money.